Hi guys, I want to go over a few things that will help you understand unit analysis better, okay? So the first thing is simplifying fractions. The number 3 divided by 7 is a fraction. See it right here. Used to represent 3 parts of a whole that has been divided into 7 equal parts, okay? The number on the top of the fraction is called the numerator, and the number on the bottom is called the denominator. So here you can see, let me get a different color. You can see we have the numerator divided by the denominator, right? Numerator is our 3, denominator is our 7. If the numerator and the denominator of a fraction do not have any common factors other than 1, then that fraction is said to be in its lowest terms. So 3 and 7 are both prime numbers, so that would be in its lowest terms. Prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by itself and 1. So to simplify a fraction to its lowest terms, we begin by finding the prime factorization, right? So of both the numerator and the denominator. Then divide the numerator and the denominator by their common factors. This is also called prime factored form. I'll write that over here. Okay. So if we have 105, you can see that is broken down into 3 times 5 times 7. And 350 is broken down into 2 times 5 times 5 times 7. And what they have in common are these 5s and these 7s. That leaves us a 3 on top. Well, and 2 times 5 is 10. So this would be our prime factored form. Oops, sorry for that. Now, here if we want to do the example, excuse me, we can simplify 10 over 18 to its lowest terms, right? They've done it here. I'm just going to kind of walk you through it. So we begin the factoring when we say, what is 10, right? Well, that's 2 times 5. And 18, well, is 2 times 9 is how I would have broken it down to start with. And then 9 is 3 times 3. So we cross out these 2's, and that's going to leave us with 5 on top. And 3 times 3 is 9 on bottom. Nothing between these cancels, so we know that is our answer. Okay, I'm going to leave these for you guys to work. I will post a key, right, with the answers. So go ahead and do your best on these, and then I will post the answer key, okay? So that you can find the answer and compare your work. Now, if when you compare your work to mine, if there's a disconnect there and you don't understand it, please get in contact with your SLA leader, okay? And have them work that with you. As we go on our journey through this SLA, you will notice, if I think something's cool, you will get to hear it. So let's just start that real early. 2, I think 2 is really cool. 2 is the only even prime. So I just think that's pretty neat, right? 2's he's kind of special prime. So I wanted you to see that. I also do want to point out that you can find the simplified form of this by using your calculator, but then that robs you of the practice of finding your prime factored form, which is essential in some problems in the future. So if you would please do the prime factored form and then simplify from there. Check yourself with your calculator if you wish. That is awesome, but don't just plug it in your calculator. I want to see your work, okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day.